Hey everyone, welcome back in another video. So, our today's topic is adding square roots. How can we add a root value with another root value? The answer is very simple. As we were adding algebraic terms, in the similar way we can add the roots. Like I have 2 under root 5 plus 3 under root 6. So, for adding both of them, it is necessary that both root values will be same, which shows that these root terms will be like terms. Like in algebra, whenever we have same variable along same power, is showing us that two terms are like terms, and same variable with different powers or the different variable with the same powers are unlike terms. Similarly, when we are talking about the roots, the same root values will be the like terms, and those terms having different root values are unlike terms, so we cannot add them until or unless we can solve those roots into their factors and making their roots as common, or you can say like over here I have the under root 6, which is not a perfect square term, or it will not convert it, the factors of 6 will not be distributed into 5 because 6 comes in the table of 2, 3 or 6. So if I am writing instead of 6 their factors, so it cannot be solved. So I can simply write can't solve. Okay. So number question is, if I have the same question 2 root 5 plus 3 under root 5. So what can I do? So simply we can solve it because both terms having under root 5, and it shows that these are like terms. So how can we add them? We have to add the coefficients only, and the root value will be written as it is. 2 into 3, 2 plus 3, and root 5 come along with them. Because we have to add only the coefficient values, the root values will be remain same. What the root values are doing, root values only showing us that these are like terms and we can add them. If the root values are different, so we cannot add them in any way. 2 plus 3, 5 under root 5. I can do one more for you. Like I have a number 7 under root 20 plus 4 under root 45. So by seeing the question, I can say that I cannot add it both of them, because one term having the root as 20 and other term is having root as 45, but these root can be solved into their lowest form. So first of all we have to find the factors of these number and see either it can be resolved and the lowest term of these roots will be added to each other, will be like terms or not. So for that I have to find the factors of 20 at first. So the factors of 20, 2 10 times is equals to 20, 2 5 times, and 5 1 times. On other hand, I have to find the factors of 45, 3 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1 times. 3 5s are and 5 1 times is equals to answer. So in place of these I have to write their factors, as we know that to find the square root we have to write the factors of a number instead of them. 2 into 2 into 5 plus 4, 3 into 3 into 5. So we have to make a pair of the same number, and the number which is not same and unpaired will be remain inside the root. So these 5 will be remain inside the root, and the numbers which are paired will be written outside the root. 7 multiply by 2 because it was a paired number, and this 5 is not a pair, so it will be written inside the root as it is. 4 into 3 and this 5. Now 7 into 2 14 and root 5. 4 into 3 12 and root 5. Now in both terms we have a same root value, which means these terms are like terms and we can add them. By seeing the question, it was difficult to say that either I can add them or not, because these numbers are factors. These numbers are a huge numbers which can be factorized into its factors. So we can find their factors and write the answers, and we can see that these terms are the like terms. So I have to add 14 plus 12 root 5. 14 plus 12 is equals to 26. Root 5 is our answer. We can do same thing with the subtraction method. Instead of addition sign, we have to apply a subtraction sign, and the rest of the things, the rest of the method will be remain same. Hope you enjoy the video. Do subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.